Okay, let's move on to the last factory. Mink LED. Are you there?
Yes.
Hello? Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can you open the video?
How to open?
The button. Yeah, now it's okay. I see you. Hello, Brandy.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, now you are introduce your company only for that?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I've seen you for the domestic factory tour. I'll also see you there. Okay. Okay, let's start.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Our company is specialized manufactured product of walllight and the Spikelight and the Gardenlight and the corner satellite and the underground light. This time I will introduce the walllight because now our showroom is under decoration, so I do the radio in my office. I just have the small sample here. This one is a new model. And also have this the model. Because now our showroom is under decoration, so I now have the sample here. And this one is the new model. This one is very special. It's the walllight.
Yeah. Special shape.
It's the G10. It's our
G10. Mm-hmm. I can see it. Yeah.
yes. Because our sample all in the showroom, so I just have the display sample for the walllight.
Okay, no problem.
Introduce our Spikelight to you. First model, I will introduce this one. This one is very popular in the market. And this two is the same series. And this one is with the cap. And this one is without the cap. And for the Spikelight, you can choose with the spike and also can choose with the base.
Two options.
One is the inside is the refrigerator and the COB. And for the rear normally we use the
cable
0.5 wide. And some customer will be customize the different size. And it can be the 0.75 and the longer. Some customer will be asked for the longer wire.
So normally, how long the wire for your standard? 15, 50 centimeters. Yeah.
On the customer. For this, normally we offer to the customer is the 20.
20, yeah, great.
Amen. And this one, the material is die-casting aluminum. And for this one, we also have this one. Can you see the difference?
The difference,
Maybe the outlook is the same, but
Yeah, the outlook is the not. Yeah, the outlook is the same. The lamp source is different.
This one is the material. The material is plastic.
Oh, plastic. Oh, this is the aluminum die casting.
Because some customer want a cheaper price, so our designer decided
Plastic model.
this one is very cheaper price, and this month we have the promotion for this model. If you're interested in it, you can ask my
Samples. Free samples.
yes. I show
Yeah.
my number to the customer.
Oh, okay. You can leave a message there, and then the customer see the video. They will contact you for the free samples.
Because really very good price, and the quality is also okay. Quality is 1 year warranty.
Great.
And it's with the aluminum cup and with the refractor, and inside also is the COB. And this one screw is our design. This screw is waterproof.
Waterproof.
Yes. So if your market need a very cheaper price, you can choose this model. And now I will introduce this one. This one is the sunset light.
Sunset lighting. Yeah, now it's very popular for a sunset lighting.
Very popular in the market. Maybe the lighting just used in the indoor, but our this one can use in the outdoor.
Outdoor. More like the sunset, is that right?
Okay, this one, okay. I will show the this one. So also have the two model. This one with the cap. And inside also with the reflector and the COB. And it's the waterproof with the screw and
the stainless steel screws.
And this one the size is this one is the size is the 17.
17.
Yes. And this one, this two is the bigger. This two can be made 12 watt.
12 watt. Oh, high power.
Yes. And
this two one is also die cast aluminum die casting.
Yes, the material also aluminum. And I will show you this one. This one is this one can do with the LED and without LED. Like the sample in my hand is without LED. Because some customers are imported without LED products.
Oh, it can be used for the GU10. Yeah, the changeable light source.
And this one is the bigger one. And this one can be do the 9 watt.
9 watt.
Yes. The material also is the casting aluminum. And this one also have the model without LED. This one also can be without LED.
Oh, can change the LED source.
Yes, yes. Okay, now I will show you our model. This is our model. Maybe it's very less in the market. Is our price. This one is the 7 watt.
7 watt.
The wear. The wear is very long.
Yeah, 2 meter maybe.
The customer. Yes, if you want to the long wear, also can customize for you.
Customize the wire.
And this one, the left body can be made red color, bright color, and
The lamp body can be for other colors, like the
gray color, like this one is gray color.
gray color. Yeah. It's great. How about the MOQ for different color?
Normally our company MOQ is the 200 pieces is okay.
200 pieces. Okay, it's great. Yeah, it's easy to control.
And this one is the 50 watt.
50 watt.
Yes, and inside is used with the lens.
Use the lens.
Some model is the reflector, but this model is use the lens.
How about the angles?
The angles is about 45.
45.
Okay. And also can be without the cap. This one is with the cap. This one is without.
Without the cap. 2 options.
And this one is the biggest one. This one can be 25 watt.
25 watt. High power.
Yes.
This one is used with the lens.
This series, all use with the lens. This series is very hot sold in the South American market.
South American market.
The market. And our company also have the CE certificate. If any customer from the New York market can
contact you.
Yeah, they can chat with us.
Great.
Okay, I will show you the new series. And this one. This train, the housing is the same.
Yeah. Small size.
Yes. This train can be 3 watt. And inside is the different. This one use the COB. This one use the high power.
This one use the lens.
Yes, this one is the lens.
Yeah. The light come out with different.
Yes, and also have the big size. This one can be the 12 watt.
12 watt.
And also have this one also the small size.
Now the small size also very popular in the market.
Okay, we are professional for the water light and the Spikelight. So our Spikelight is have many models. If you're interested in our product, you can leave the comment to us. I will contact you and send our new e-catalog to you. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Bandy. Yeah, thank you for your Spikelight. Very many items for the Spikelight. Nearly 20 items Spikelight. Yeah, thank you very much, and thank you very much today. Yeah, you can also leave your contact information, leave a message, and then if some customers see your message, they will contact you also.
Okay.
Yeah, just you open the video and then maybe ask your college to leave them the messages. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much today.